Okay, so fella's asking, do all the people with Kundalini develop psychic abilities, or when they open the third eye, they can see others' auras? Generally speaking, no, not everybody will develop psychic abilities. In some respects, now this is nuanced, but in some respects, you could see the Kundalini process and the development of psychic abilities as two completely separate explorations and avenues and journeys. There is much overlap, of course, but there are people who were born psychic who never had any Kundalini awakening, and they can, talk to pets and all this kind of stuff. There are people who have reached very advanced states of unity with God who have never seen an aura. So yes, there's overlap, but for those going through Kundalini awakening, if those things come, great. If they go, that's fine too. The aim is not to pursue them per se, though they can often come as we, have these different chakra activations and whatnot. So it's something to keep in mind, that there's two different journeys. That's a good way to think about it.